So we are the advocates representing Resham, who is a girl studying in the Udupi College for Girls, Government College for Girls. All the three petitions which have been filed before the Honorable High Court of Karnataka were listed today. The Honorable Court has given us a patient and fair hearing. Senior advocate from the Supreme Court appeared on behalf of the petitioners. He made a comprehensive argument covering all points of law, constitutional and otherwise. The matter was heard for more than 3 hours today. He has finished with one round of arguments. The Advocate General is set to make arguments tomorrow. In that, on making submission from the Advocate General, the court has requested all the people involved in the petition and otherwise to maintain the peace and tranquility of the state through an order. So we want to relay the same information and ask that people do not take to the streets for any sort of demonstrations or protests, and to maintain the peace and tranquility as long as this matter is sub judice. And we fully trust the process of the court, and we will go down to whatever order they will hold. Because the matter is sub judice now, it will not be correct for us to weigh in on any merits of the matters as yet.
What are the arguments which you think is going on? The judge has said that that will go only by constitutional values, will not be swayed by emotions and.
So the Honorable Judge has made statements that he will be only looking into the constitutional aspects of this. This is a matter involving fundamental rights, and he also said that to assist the court in not making any news of any other sort, to help him keep a clear mind and to arrive at a logical end to this. At the end of the day, this is a matter of constitutional rights and fundamental rights of the citizens. This is not a matter of identity politics. To that extent, the judge has said that he will be looking into the constitutional matters.
Are you looking for interim stay of the Karnataka government order? Is that the first priority?
The courts are going to have taken this matter up on a priority basis because of the urgency posed in the matter, and interim order or otherwise, we should be getting the matter disposed at the earliest without any in the most expeditious manner possible.
So how many students are you representing?
We are representing one student, Miss Resham, of the Udupi, studying in the Udupi College for Girls.
Okay. Thank you.